how to fix unsupported 16-bit application error in Windows. So if you want to fix unsupported 16-bit application error in your Windows, then what you need to do is, like for example, if you're facing a problem with the Chrome browser, then what you need to do is you just need to simply right-click on your Chrome. Just simply go with show more options, and then you will have properties option. Click on properties, and under properties here you need to just simply go with compatibility section, and you need to just tick these boxes. Run this program in compatibility mode, run this program as an administrator. After that, click on apply and then click on OK. And once done, I want you to close that, and we need to go with the step number 2. Same, again you need to do that. Click on the specific application and go with your properties. After that, go with the compatibility. Now run the troubleshooter. This time it might take a few seconds, so go ahead, and if it shows or detects any errors, it will automatically repair them. If not, then you're good to go. And the final step is we need to make sure that our Windows is actually up to date. So go with your search bar and then search for any Windows updates. Go with Windows Update settings and make sure that you're up to date. Once you're up to date, you need to go and restart your device and your problem will be fixed. That's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.